today I'm going to answer the question, what if medieval times had sporks? I hope you enjoy the video. Let's just get straight into it. To start off this here spork, I'm going to upset this. This is just 10mm round bar, mild steel. I'm just going to put a little upset in the end of it, so I've got a bit more material to hopefully spread out into a spoon shape, as I'll do a spoon first, then cut the forks of the spork into said spoon. Just point the bar as well a little bit. I'll now isolate off the material that I need to make the spork. That might be a little bit much, I don't know. We'll find out. Then draw down material for the handle. At the moment we have quite a sharp square, sorry. So I'll knock these corners down, and this will just make it a bit better in the hand really, so it's more ergonomic, I would say, and nice and comfortable. As you can see, it's all about that pre-form. So in the spoon video that I did recently, I got the pre-form for the spoon shape wrong. So on this one I did a bit of a longer taper, and then when we spread it out, it gives us that actual spoon shape pretty good really. I'll grind the profile just a little bit to neaten it up, but that's basically it. So I'll sink it now into a wooden block just by hand and try and get that spoon cupping shape, because it's not quite a sphere. It's a bit deeper in the middle than it is at the end. So you just gotta do it by eye, just with the ball peen, and be careful. Now I've got this nice spoon shape done, I'm going to ruin it by cutting some wedges out to make it into a spork. Alright, I think about there. That's how deep we want them, probably. See where the centre is. Accuracy, as ever. Perfect. It's actually not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. Turned out alright. So, what I'm going to do now is cut it off and then put a little reverse twist just in the last sort of 40mm, I would say, just for style, so it looks better. there we are. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this spork. I enjoyed making it. And it actually turned out much better than I thought it was going to, so that's very good and I'm very happy with that. I've done it in this same medieval style as the fork, the knife and the spoon that I've done in other videos. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you soon.